Today's quick tip. Somebody asked me how to make the improvised sound modern in Brazilian music. And I think the first tip I would give is to try to use the possibilities of dominant scales. Brazilian music is often done of the mixolydian scale in dominant chords. You're often gonna see it's being used in Baião and in chorinhos. We don't think often in scales, but when they are using dominant chords, it's often mixolydian. And to change the notes you are using can create a modern sound. This I'm showing you, it's the mixolydian. It's starting with C. That's not appearing on the screen here, but it has an interesting sound. We can use in a few situations that's gonna create a stronger flavor in the melodic ways you create. We can use the dominant diminished scale. If you want to know more about the sound of the dominant diminished scale, I recommend you to hear Corrupião of Edu Lobo. You have a hexaphonic scales. I'm sorry for the note C that's not appearing. It's a scale that we can find in compositions of Debussy, and we have the altered scale. And the altered scale, it has an interesting apply because it's the same scale that of the tritone. The dominant Lydian scale. It has the same notes of the dominant Lydian of the tritone. Then we can create some tonal, some polytonality sensation. All right. A thing that differentiates this use of the scale for American jazz, for example, is not to use so many chromatism also. Brazilian music is often done without a lot of chromatism, okay? But it's these are the main scales we can change to sound modern in our melodic improvise, okay? Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.